Hi guys, today we are going to see how to change this window strip in Honda Jazz 2009 model. First you need to remove this screw over here and you need to pull this. Behind this there will be another screw, this one, to be removed. Now we have removed this attachment and these screws, one from here and one from here as well. Once you pull here, you need to also pull it here so it becomes loose. You need to be very careful because this is a 14 years old car. So I've already removed it. I'm just showing you for the reference. This has completely gone. If you see, there is no protection at all. I'll show you the new one as well. Look at this. This is the new one. See how it is. And you get right and left. Based on that, you need to purchase. I have got both the things. I have ordered it in Moulding. Only right side has come. So left side I need to replace it once it is delivered. Now I have sprayed here a little bit of WD-40 to clean this dirt. So once it is done, I'll fix it up and show you in the other video. Okay, now I have cleaned it with WD-40. This is completely clean. Now this right indication portion should be on the left side, on this bigger part, and this has to be inserted on this part. So be very careful while doing it. Yes guys, finally we have completed the work now. It is done properly. All the screws have been fixed on this and this has been closed, and the screw over here, this has also been locked. So while closing this, be very careful because you got two locks over here. It might break with your pressure. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.